Richard Hernandez, I make good money and want to buy an investment property but don't have capital for a down payment. Is it good to use a personal loan for down payments? Bro, if you can, do a FHA loan, bro.
Yeah.
Yo, let me give you out a game right now. If you don't have that much capital, bro, and you guys want to get into real estate investing,
FHA.
just do this. FHA loan. Get a duplex, okay? And the reason why you want to get a duplex, triplex, or fourplex, whatever you can afford, right? The more doors, the better. I agree with Grant Cardone. The more doors, the better, right? Because what's going to happen is you're going to be able to collect rent from multiple tenants. And when you only put 3.5% down, if you do it right, your tenant or tenants will pay your mortgage down for you. You don't have to pay your mortgage, and then you could potentially make money. And then you save that money for a year. You stay in that property for a year, because if you don't, you're going to get in trouble, right? The feds will come after you. You stay in that property for a year, and then bang, you move. You go ahead and put a tenant in your spot, get even more cash flow, and then bang, do the FHA loan again and move into another property. That's a foolproof plan.
There's a book called Set for Life by Scott. He's part of Bigger Pockets. He goes through the whole plan for you as well, from being a actual worker to invest in real estate to coming on to that, and also as well, once you go on that path, you can have cash flow coming for you from 4 properties.
Yeah,
so it's pretty dope.
And you can do that FHA thing for a couple of times. And here's the other thing: by the time you do it 4 times, by the time you do it like on your second or third property, you're probably going to be able to pull equity from one of your properties. Right? Because remember, you live in each property for a year.
Yep.
That's a considerable amount of time where you've built equity in that first home, right? So let's say you do it 3 times. By the time you get into your third home, you probably have some equity built up in the first one you bought, and you have tenants paying you cash flow, and you're saving money. So you pull the equity out, and then you can make a full 20 to 25% down payment on an investment property if you don't want to move again. Because I know moving is annoying, and a lot of people don't like doing that.
And for some of you with a job, those 4 properties could probably cover your income monthly.
Yeah. You'll be able to probably, like, if you're making like $50K a year, whatever it is like that, you'll probably be able to like quit your job, bro, and do this full time or just chill after you have like, 3 or 4 or 5 properties.
That book Set for Life goes through the whole process for you. So
where am I making to get a decent duplex? I can put 20 to 30K down, and would that be enough? Roger, take it away, man.
Hit it, Roger.
Or an FHA loan, he says, is the second thing.
It's gonna be tough.
That might be a little tough, my friend.
My friend, I'll be honest.
Nope.
You ain't getting shit in Miami for $20,000 to $30,000 down.
Not anymore.
Because here's the other thing too. I want to let y'all know. All the banks, you're pretty much gonna have to put 25% down.
After the bear bug,
COVID fuck things up for a lot of you guys.
The requirements are way higher, so it ain't easy no more.
I mean, hell, y'all saw it. I did 2 deals. Clearly, they had seen how much money they had seen my money. I had done 2 good deals with the bank, and they
don't care.
Pulled the rug from underneath me while I was in the middle, while I was under contract, and the banker told me, "No, we're good." Fortunately, he was able to fix it and be like, no, we still got to at least be able to do 1. But they still dropped the other deal. So this is, guys, the banks are, if you go to Bank of America right now, they will not give you a loan to buy their own goddamn stock, and that's a fact.
Bam.
That tells you all you need to know with the banks. They're in the game of not losing money.
But if you want to get a car loan, they definitely will. Don't do it.
They'll let you do a car loan, but they're going to give you money to buy stock in their own goddamn bank, bro. That should tell you what you need to know. Okay. I own 2 homes, live in one, and rent the other. I have enough equity in my primary to cash out and refi to buy my 3rd house. That's exactly what I mentioned earlier, guys. Pros and cons. Should I S Corp or LLC?
S Corp.
S Corp all the way.
Real good dude. He's up in North Florida.
Guys, master money and investing. Your life will be free.
Mine, bro. If you're really looking for cash flow in real estate long term, look up the slow flip method.
Okay.
No, I just buy and hold, bro. I keep it nice and simple.
I don't know what the slow flip
buy and hold.
is.
Christian Rosa. The house I live in now was purchased for $440K and it is now worth roughly $565K about 30 months later.
Yep.
Yo,
appreciation.
I'm telling y'all, man, this real estate market is crazy, bro, right now. You know? Okay, let's see.
Talk about generational wealth, bro. You buy property now, you save it for your kids. When they go to live in it or sell it, they'll be good for life.
Yeah. So, Muhammad, so going back to what he said, because I think he said he had like between 20 and 40K to put down. You're not going to be able to get anything in Miami really with that, bro, because you're going to have to bring a decent amount of money in. But what I would say is, with that money, you have more than enough to do an FHA loan, though. So go ahead and do an FHA loan. Get yourself into a duplex or a triplex, and you'll be good. But have you spoken on buying/selling land? No, that's not my expertise. But there is a guy I know that specializes in that. We might have him come on.
Yeah.
But I don't buy land because unless it's gonna pay me immediately after buying it, I'm not gonna do it.
I'm not expert on that at all, so I'm not gonna tamper.
Yeah, no. Bro, my guy Prince. Hey, shout out to you, Brandon.
Peyton, $10.
Peyton, $10. Found y'all in Cardone too late and trying to figure out how to pivot. Currently got all my assets in 401k max every year. Oh shit.
My heart hurts, bro.
Yeah, that's what they want you to do, my man. And 3-2 home. I live in 250K. 26-year-old making 125K a year.
You can pull that money out, bro.
Yeah, I mean, well, no, he won't be able to. He'll get heavily penalized probably because the 401. Yeah, if you pull money out, it's probably gonna. Yeah, 20. Yeah, if it's a traditional.
Bro, I would still take that loss and put it in real estate.
Yeah, bro. I mean, just lower. This is what you got to do, bro. Just lower your contributions. Save some money on the side. If you have, I'm hoping you got 6 months saved somewhere. And then, you could pull some equity out of the home that you live in, rent that bitch out, and then move somewhere, and then get an FHA loan, move into a duplex or triplex, bro.
Yeah, you could. Or just be risky like me and
pull equity out of that house and go somewhere else. We can everything, bro. Fitness, girls, dating, Instagram, real estate, making money,
marketing,
saving. I'm gonna do episode for y'all niggas on silver. Yeah.